Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to Thunder Valley CB Shop. You got the Wolfman here. Just let everyone know we're starting to ship, so everyone get ready for Christmas. If you want Christmas presents, start ordering now while we got stuff in stock. It's hard to get stock. We've got our Galaxies, radio wraps, Connex, Cobra, Road King. We have external speakers. We also have our dash cam there, SWR meter, all the radio wraps that we have so far. Guys, if you want a different wrap, message me, let me know, and I'll get them in. My son's paintings are still for sale. We sold one, that's awesome. Thank you very much. You helped my son pay for his school computer. Alrighty folks, we got a few antennas in stock. We got all the Wilsons, we got the Hot Rods, the Francises, Everhart, Road Kings, Wilsons, 2000s, 5000s, the Vipers. I love these Vipers. We sell a bunch of those. We got antenna mounts. We got some new and used mics here. I got new mics down here. We also have power echo mics. We got radio knobs, power cords, coax. We've got the A-Static black mic with the metal cord, the American flag, the Road Devil, the D104. Alrighty folks, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube page, Thunder Valley CB Shop. That way you can get all prices and notification. Y'all have a good day. God bless.